Over the last 2+ years, most Americans have been spending more time at home. They are using more electricity than ever before. With increased energy usage comes a higher power bill. Plus, some power companies have hiked their rates by as much as 20 to even 50% this year, according to various news reports. Florida resident Marquita Curtis Haynes has really seen her bill skyrocket.
It seems like everything in the house runs by electricity. You know, from the television to the telephone, you have to charge that, of course. You know, the curling iron, the AC, the lamps, the coffee maker. That bill keeps going up and up and up. We're also looking for ways we can reduce our carbon footprint. And that's why we decided, you know what, enough is enough. We need to do something about this.
Marquita made her house more energy efficient by replacing the circuit breakers in her electrical panel with smart breakers from Eaton that enable her to control her energy loads.
Today, the world we live in is changing. More people are driving electric vehicles, the addition of renewables like solar and wind, as well as energy storage systems. So homes are now not only consumers of energy, but also producers of energy. Eaton's smart breakers enable home energy management. So now homeowners have the ability to not only monitor and understand their energy usage, but they can also control energy-intensive loads in their home. This is an example of our home as the grid strategy at work. Eaton's mobile app provides the user actionable energy insights to help optimize their energy usage, reduce their electric bill, and advance their sustainability. So in the app, they're able to see all their energy usage broken down by the various loads, so whether it's their HVAC, their dryer, and the app helps them understand which appliances in the home are using the most energy, and now they can know what changes they need to make in order to reduce those costs.
Imagine controlling your lights, ceiling fans, and appliances while on the go. Eaton's Wi-Fi smart wiring devices allow you to do just that with Eaton's mobile app.
You leave home in the morning and you leave lights on, right? So those lights are on all day long. Think about all the electricity that was wasted. It gives me the ability to, for one thing, turn the lights on in advance when I'm coming home at night, because I'm normally the first person who comes home and it can be dark in here sometimes. Another great thing about using the app is when we're out of town, we can turn the lights on so our neighbors won't know that we're out of town. I can still control the lights in my home from afar, and I love that.
Climate Central expects a 67% increase in major power outages in the U.S. over the next 2 decades. It is essential to safeguard your appliances with a whole house surge protector.
Florida is the capital of lightning strikes. There's always the possibility of a power hit, a power surge, so you need to be protected. My biggest concern when there's a power surge is the computer. It can destroy everything. In addition to worrying about the computer, you have to worry about the major appliances, like for example, your washing machine, your dryer, and a power hit could potentially destroy those appliances. The Eaton Whole Home Surge Protector just gives you peace of mind.
Fuel prices at the pump are continually fluctuating, and we've seen a very high spike recently. Marquita and others are also keeping their cars in mind when transitioning to an energy-efficient lifestyle.
According to Edison Electric Institute, by 2030, we expect 22 million electric vehicles to be on the road. Eaton's Green Motion EV charger combines fast level 2 AC charging with revenue-grade metering and remote access powered by smart breakers. Not only can you install the EV charger directly into your load center, we also have wall mount and pedestal options as well.
We don't have to worry about going to the gas station trying to fill that gas up because we know that it's already charged and ready to go for us. We've had the Eaton system in place for 6 months, and believe me, we are seeing a huge difference in our bills, and that is a beautiful thing. But we're also helping to contribute to saving the planet and reducing our carbon footprint, because I want my kids and my grandkids and the great-grandkids to enjoy this beautiful planet the way I did.
Eaton products must be installed and serviced by a qualified electrician. Get connected to the Eaton Certified Contractor Network at eaton.com/smartenergy and go to designingspaces.tv for more information.